Good Monday, everyone. Thanks for stopping by. Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and it's a rather cloudy and muggy Monday, the 18th of May, 2015. And temperatures are right around where they should be this time of the day, upper 50s to low and mid 60s across the region. Skies are generally cloudy, and the winds are now focused in from the east northeast as we have a frontal boundary, a backdoor cold front, which started passing through the region last night, is stalled out across central New Jersey at this point. And as a result of that, we have temperatures ranging from the upper 60s and low and mid 70s across the region this morning, with lots of clouds around the region as low levels are trapped with moisture, but the upper levels of the atmosphere are quite dry. We'll show you that. There's also quite a bit of fog out on eastern Long Island, and this fog will have a tendency to wane during the next couple of hours. Morning surface chart from WeatherONoak.com and Digital Atmosphere Software shows the nearly stationary front now through central New Jersey, northeastern Pennsylvania, and this is probably just about where it's going to stay over the next couple of hours and then eventually work its way back north as a warm front and then finally a cold front moving through with low pressure attended to it up across the upper Great Lakes in southeastern Canada will move in our direction with showers and thunderstorms along it during tomorrow. But for today, lots of clouds around the region. Watches, warnings, and advisories mainly for the coastal regions here. We have some patchy dense fog through 9 o'clock this morning, limiting visibilities down to a quarter mile. Patchy dense fog through 9 a.m. Again, reducing visibilities, and most of this will be exiting during the later morning hours. And a few light rain showers across eastern Long Island and the southern areas of just south of New Haven this morning as well. A marine air mass is in place this morning on the visible satellite imagery. Plenty of low and mid-level clouds across the region. Some breaks across northwestern New Jersey, also into portions of Pennsylvania and portions of southern New Jersey too. But most of the clouds are probably going to win out for most of the day. What's interesting is the water vapor channel from the mid and upper levels shows lots of subsidence and sinking air drying. But we do have a little bit of a temperature inversion here in the lower layers where there's moisture saturated too, probably around 5,000 feet and lower. So we're finding a lot more clouds in this area, even though the water vapor channel aloft is showing drying and sinking air, and probably little in the way of precipitation today, just lots of clouds left over. And the radar composite this morning shows a little bit of light rain across central and eastern Long Island. And any showers that develop here across Pennsylvania will be slight and weak. Now, the instability over this area where there's more sunshine during today, this is where the convection is really going to start firing up, but should stay west of our metropolitan area. We'll get into that in just a moment. The agricultural forecast for northwestern New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania from Rutgers University, less than 1/10 of an inch of rain today and tonight, and we still need rain, 1 to 2/10 of an inch, with some locally higher amounts on Tuesday. Spraying winds east to southeast at 5 to 10 through early Tuesday, and then southwest later Tuesday. Humidity levels 60 to 70% today, 100% tonight, and 60 to 70% Tuesday. Dew point still muggy today, 60 to 65, 55 to 60 tonight, 60 to 65 on Tuesday. Fair at best drying conditions today and Tuesday. There's a little dew tonight, then wetting and showers possible, and then again later on Tuesday night as well. Percentage of sunshine about 20% today, and even less than that, about 10% Tuesday. But there is a 30% probability that precipitation during the 12-hour period between 8 a.m. this morning and 8 p.m. this evening, and that's very low. That would affect the spraying of and the performance of spraying for pesticides that require rain-free period after application. On the aviation and weather deck today, we have some limited IFR conditions across the terminals here into Long Island. Little bit of IFR conditions well removed from our forecast region, and also most of the region is in MVFR, and then later even some IFR conditions across the region. This is due to fog this morning, and this is all going to begin to burn off with improving conditions from east to west. Some IFR or lower ceilings are possible, but confidence on the coverage near and west and south of Philadelphia not so great. Mostly light and variable winds early, then becoming easterly up to 10 knots before turning southeast. Tonight, MVFR and IFR ceilings with an onshore flow and increased low-level moisture still in place. Some showers and thunderstorms are expected with the greatest chance mostly west of Philadelphia. Some fog is expected, especially overnight tonight. Winds light from the east or southeast. That's the marine layer in place. Tuesday and Tuesday night, low clouds dissipate in the morning. MVFR and IFR still possible under any shower and thunderstorm. Cold front moves through with a northwest wind shift during the afternoon over the region and then through the night. Wednesday and Wednesday night, VFR, some gusty northwest winds on Wednesday, then diminishing. Thursday, VFR conditions expected. Lowest confidence southern airports closest to the track of transcontinental low. And Thursday night and Friday, mostly VFR conditions expected. Right now outside of Newark, we are in IFR conditions, 68 degrees, dew point is 61, humidity 78%. The wind is on shore at northeast at 9, a little bit of haze in the atmosphere. Basically VFR conditions in place from later this morning into this evening. Philadelphia right now is in MVFR, and those conditions will be improving too. Could have some thunderstorms around the vicinity later this afternoon or evening. Temperature right now 73, dew point 68, humidity 84%. The wind is out of the southeast at about 3, and there's 5 miles of stability and some haze. A lot of things conflicting here. We have a marine air mass in place. This is off the HRR this morning, shows the pop-up showers over the region this morning, and we know that that's not true at all. But once this deviates from this forecast, basically the convection fires up again west of the region, some around Philadelphia late this afternoon, and some of that convection could get into southern New Jersey and then wane as well because we have a marine air mass in place. So this is going to kind of negate the intensity of the showers because most of the convection will be elevated and then eventually collapse as it moves into New Jersey. Meanwhile, other rain showers or bands of showers and thunderstorms will populate to the west of the cold front, and this is in the warm sector here, and we expect that to remain mostly out of our region until tomorrow morning, and that's when the front begins to move back as a warm front, and then the showers and thunderstorms warm sectored again. Once we get rid of the fog in the morning, skies break for some sunshine, instability increases, and then showers and thunderstorms move across the region tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. HRR's temperature forecast is a bit complicated too because we have a marine air mass in place, so temperature is probably climbing into the upper 70s. I don't know how far north the warmer temperatures will make it into the 80s, probably around Philadelphia and south through the Delmarva. This is in the warm sector of the front, which is now stalled across this region. Marine air mass in place means cooler temperatures in the 60s right along the south shore and east ends of Long Island, coastal New Jersey, upper 60s to perhaps 70 if we get some sunshine breaks here across interior northern New Jersey. HRR model having some convective feedback issues here this morning, but once we get past this forecast, this probably looks more accurate, where showers and thunderstorms pulse-like in nature develop across Pennsylvania and primarily stay there. A few of those showers and thunderstorms could get towards Philadelphia with just heavy downpours. Some of those would populate into New Jersey and then eventually weaken because of marine air mass in place, and then more showers and thunderstorms again developing out to our west. Marine air mass in place here negates the convection from making it too far into the region until the warm front moves back during tonight and tomorrow, and then these showers and thunderstorms will move into the region during tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow evening. And the pollen tsunami continues across the region with elevated highs today at 8.7, 6.2 with rain tomorrow, but that's really not that low. And the rainfall that falls really is not going to be enough to wash the pollen out of the air for most trees. It's oak, birch, and maple, and it's going to be on the high side again Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. UVI index for your skin, low today with the clouds, high again tomorrow, Tuesday, especially where sunshine breaks out, and Wednesday and Thursday. You're going to need sunscreen. And once we get past the battling of air masses here, well, things are going to improve from Wednesday right into the holiday weekend, and that's the most important feature of the forecast. We'll have the showers and perhaps some heavier downpours moving through the region with the cold front, upper low across southeastern Canada scoots away, and then cool Canadian high pressure builds in for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh my, very nice. And this means beautiful temperatures, beautiful dry weather conditions. Unfortunately, not so much in the way of rainfall for any of this forecast period from Wednesday right through Saturday and Sunday and possibly even Monday. And as a result of that, well, that means the pollen grains will continue on the high dispersal side. Now we're going to have another frontal system and low pressure wave moving towards the Great Lakes, and this will introduce the clouds to increase across the region and warmer temperatures as we head into the weekend. Right now, hopefully, most of Monday, Memorial Day itself, the 25th, should be dry, but we'll be visiting this during the day and possibly hold off the shower and rain event until Monday night when the holiday is winding down. So for everything live, it's Garden State Weather, gardenstateweather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Have a fantastic Monday. We'll see you again on Tuesday.